How to use the Canvas account free or pro. First time I can first time sign the Canva account sign up. First time Canva Canva design. I can search on Google. This is the Canva website. This is the Canva website. This is the Canva website. This is the Canva. And first time search on Google Canva. Your sign up free T temp mail. Just search on temp mail. I can open one or two temp mail site. Three, four. Okay, just two or four temp mail site. The first time Canva sign up, Canva Google search on Canva. This Canva click on Canva website. Canva website. I can click the sign up button. Sign up button. Continue your Gmail account. Your hands. You connect with Gmail or Facebook and others. Mail. I can continue with your mail. I can just temp mail uses this temp mail copy free template and suggest name A B C. Okay, code. The Canva mail code uses Canva code. Okay, this is the Canva code. Use the Canva code. Okay, and the complete sign up Canva temp mail Canva code. Just your first time Canva website open and temp mail just any mail uses temp mail search on Google. This is the copy and sign up and very easy. Your student, your personal, your non-profession. This is your student very easy student high school. Okay, continue. Unlock Canva for education. Unlock for Canva education. Lot of add skip. Add on any group. Okay, total Canva sign-ups complete. There's a lot of Canva sign up complete, and Canva homepage. Canva, what is the wheel design and today the EU dog website person and more. The more create photo collection desktop. Lot of Canva provide this the Canva template. You just use in Canva use Canva template. Okay, just I can screenshot in Canva. Canva design, Belu side, rock side, video editor, YouTube video editor, photo editor, and Canva card, Canva business card, Canva internet and t-shirt, handle and logo. Lot of information. Then business, lot of business education, teaching school and platter and design arts event. The design. This Canva a lot of template provided a lot of parameters. I can search and just I use just create a design docs, lot of Instagram post and logo, Facebook, Instagram history, and search on any YouTube banner, YouTube logo, YouTube display ad, YouTube live stream video, YouTube profile picture, and YouTube short, and YouTube thumbnail, and YouTube chat per Gmail with YouTube banner, and lot of etc. provide. And just YouTube click lot of video. Just I can click on YouTube logo and YouTube thumbnail. Click on YouTube thumbnail, they provide. The you can Canva very easy and simple. The online platform, lot of platform YouTube Canva design and convert. The how to very easy sign up Canva first time open the temp mail and Canva website. The login and sign up Canva. Just create account. Please submit and submit the temp mail copy. Just click then code, verify code. This is the Canva provide verify code. Then right, you can Canva sign up free. Must be copy your notepad. Just a notepad copy. Okay, your notepad copy. Okay, notepad. Okay, same Canva notepad, and this is the website and Canva sign out was settings account. Click your settings account and Canva settings account, editor them email or student and Canva English template and Canva switcher, Canva personal and update email, lot of email. Just I can log out and sign out Canva, sign out, sign in, account settings, click on account settings, ABC, your email address update, and you can use your another email address update, and just you can back on. Okay, I click here of Canva homepage. Just you uh, details and your mind your videos, just click your videos, your web page, etc. Lot of information and social media, Pinterest. I can click the social media. Free lot of suggested YouTube thumbnail, lot of YouTube thumbnail suggest. Okay, social media template, edit photo and Instagram post, Facebook post and Instagram stories and WhatsApp stories, Facebook, lot of social media, TikTok, YouTube thumbnail and intro, social media, Instagram post, Instagram story, Instagram ad and Instagram reels, automobiles and Facebook post, Facebook cover, Facebook ad, Facebook event and Facebook videos, Facebook story, LinkedIn banner, LinkedIn post, LinkedIn background and template, lot of template in Instagram post, lot of template provide the see. Just I can open one. This is two, three, new tab, four, tab, five. A lot of provide. This is the system. Just I can one system open. Instagram posts. Just store it. See all Instagram template. Instagram template. Just start Facebook template. Find your see on homepage. Lot of Canva provide design. Just on Instagram lot of design. Canva template lot of design. Okay, You can make Canva template. I can see the Canva account, design, create. Okay. All of design, the Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. Instagram and etc. etc. Thank you. Best of luck, my friend. Same. You just search research and this website. A lot of your guide provide the Canva, a lot of design and Canva over create join. Find the Canva LinkedIn design. Okay. Canva, LinkedIn, business, blue card, a lot of etc. Free and yellow. The very easy and simple Canva sign up, just temp mail or Gmail, Yahoo, Facebook. Temp mail very easy, just create an account and coding, then this is the Canva sign up. How to create Canva, and this is work lot of template of Canva. Thank you. Best of luck, my friend. Please subscribe my channel and post.